Found a LET file in a signage or graphics project folder? This is a letter template from professional sign-making software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Enroute letter files contain and how to work with them. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful LET file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. LET files are letter and font template files used by SA International Enroute, the professional signage, routing, and engraving software. They contain vector letter outlines and character definitions used for CNC routing, vinyl cutting and engraving of dimensional letters and signage elements on various materials. LET files use a proprietary vector format, storing character outlines as Bezier curve paths with associated metrics, including character width, kerning pairs, baseline positioning, and stroke attributes. The format defines routing toolpath-compatible letter geometry for CNC machinery output in sign manufacturing workflows. For viewing and interaction, LET is most commonly opened via Enroute from SA International, SAI. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows can show simple previews, but detailed editing must be done in supported document tools. Go to the file and right-click your LET file, then click Open With. Prioritize Enroute if you see it. If not, select any program on the list. A little trial and error is expected here. If your LET file isn't cooperating, don't worry. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the LET error. First, opening in Enroute. Launch SA International. Enroute software, and use the text tool to access LET font files from the installed letter library. Select the LET font file as your text style and type your desired text. Enroute renders the letters with the vector outlines defined in the LET file ready for toolpath generation and CNC routing. Next, converting to vector formats. In Enroute, create text using the LET font file, then export the resulting vector artwork to DXFAI or EPS format using File then Export. The exported vectors preserve the letter outlines as standard Bezier paths for use in Adobe Illustrator CorelDRAW or other vector editing and CAD applications. Finally, using with CNC Machines. In Enroute, apply the LET font letters to your sign layout, then generate CNC toolpaths using the routing or engraving wizards. Configure tool diameter depth passes and cutting parameters for your specific material. Export the toolpaths to G-code or the appropriate format for your CNC router or engraving machine controller. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.